Ever found yourself staring at a card machine, your mind a complete blank, desperately trying to remember your Mamo Pay PIN? It's a frustrating moment we've all been through. The pressure mounts as the person behind you in the queue sighs, and your brain just refuses to cooperate. Maybe you've tried a few times, and now your card is locked, leaving you in a tricky situation. Or perhaps you've recently received a new Mamo Pay card and want to set a new, easy-to-remember PIN from the get-go. Whatever the reason, needing to reset your Mamo Pay card PIN is a common issue, but the solution is surprisingly simple and quick. You might think you have to call customer service, endure a long waiting period, and go through a tedious verification process. You might even be worried about a security risk. But what if I told you that you could have a brand new PIN, ready to use, in just a few minutes, all from the comfort of your own home? That's right. You don't need to be a tech wizard or spend hours on hold. The power to change your PIN is right there in your hands, specifically on your smartphone. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly address a few common concerns. First, is this process secure? Absolutely. Mamo Pay has designed this feature with security as a top priority. All transactions and PIN changes are encrypted, ensuring your financial information remains safe. Second, what if I don't have access to the email or phone number associated with my account? This is a crucial point. To reset your PIN, you must have access to the phone number linked to your Mamo Pay account, as a one-time password, OTP, will be sent to it for verification. So, make sure you have your registered phone handy. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The entire process takes place within the Mamo Pay app. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Mamo Pay app on your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen. From here, you're looking for the section that deals with your cards. This is usually found by tapping on the Cards tab at the bottom of your screen or by navigating through a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Once you're in the Cards section, you'll see a digital representation of your Mamo Pay card. Tap on your card. This will bring up more options and details specific to that card. Look for an option that says something like Change PIN, Reset PIN, or Manage PIN. Tap on that. The app will then prompt you to enter a new PIN. This is where you get to choose your new 4-digit code. Pick something memorable for you but not easy for others to guess, like a birthday or anniversary date. Avoid using consecutive numbers like 1234 or your home address. The app will then ask you to confirm the new PIN by entering it a second time. This is a security measure to prevent typos. After you've entered and confirmed your new PIN, the app will send a verification code, or OTP, to the phone number linked to your Mamo Pay account. Go to your phone's messages, find the code, and enter it into the app when prompted. This final step is what authorizes the change and ensures that you are the legitimate owner of the account. Once the OTP is entered successfully, you'll receive a confirmation message that your PIN has been successfully changed. It's as simple as that. Your new PIN is now active and ready to be used for all your transactions. You can immediately go and try it out at an ATM or a point-of-sale terminal. And there you have it. No more panic at the card machine. No more long phone calls. Just a few taps on your phone, and you're good to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.